Hello, thanks for stopping by. Today I'll be making barbecue popcorn. Let's get started. Okay, I have a stick of butter, half a cup of barbecue sauce, your favorite. This is open pit. I have a cup and a half of light brown sugar. I have a teaspoon of baking soda. And I have 2 teaspoons of salt. Here I have some peanuts. I have some pecans, just some I have laying around. Use any kind you want. Some are crushed, some are in half. I have my oven heated on 250. Here I've made, that's a half a cup of popcorn. I'm going to add this stick of butter into this pan. We're going to let this melt. To help it along. Okay, our butter has melted. We're going to add in our brown sugar. All in. Okay. Gonna add in the barbecue sauce. And our salt. Stir. We're going to stir this until it starts to boil. Just keep stirring. You're starting to boil. Now we're going to want this to boil for 4 minutes. Set your timer for 4 minutes. You don't need to stir it anymore. I'm going to set this over top to make sure it doesn't go above that. 4 minutes. You know, if you use your spoon, it won't go past that spoon. It won't boil over. I'm going to take my popcorn, pour my barbecue caramel. It's boiling away over there. And I'm picking it up like this because I don't want any unpopped kernels in here. I'm also going to put the nuts on it and sprinkle them over. Look, it's ready. 4 minutes. Okay. Now what we do is we take it off the heat. I want you to see. And remember the baking soda? Whew, the spoon's kind of hot. You're going to put it in and it's going to foam up really high. Well, it didn't foam up too bad this time. It usually does. There we go. See? Just see how it's doing. And it's actually caramelizing. And now I'm going to, let me see. I'm going to make sure that it's mixed well. I think we're about there. See the spoon? Well, there's more. Stir it well. I think we got it now. Well, we're going to take it, we're going to pour it. Want it all because it's delicious. Yeah. It'll get hard like really quick, so you have to get it all mixed together. I'm sorry. Dang, you didn't get to see it. I'm sorry. Well, I poured it over top, and I'm just mixing it together. I really apologize for that. I got so excited when I seen it. It's beautiful, and it tastes good. I want it to cover. I just stir it until it's covered. You want all of them covered if at all possible. Make sure you get it all. This is so good. If you've never tried it, give it a try. I know you tried barbecue popcorn, most of us have, but not like this. This is something different here. Almost all covered. You know, I'm all covered well. Like I said, I have my oven going on 250. You don't want to cook it too high because we don't want it to burn. I'm going to cook them slow. And we're going to go in. We're going to cook them for about 30 minutes or so. But we're going to go in a couple of times and turn them. Just turn them like I'm doing now. Yeah, I need some more here. I want everyone to have some of this barbecue caramel. That's what I'm calling it. That's all it is. Okay. I know somebody's gonna love this. Somebody besides me. D. Gotta get that out of there. Spread it out like so. And into the oven. And I'm going to bring it out and show you again when I'm going to turn it in about 10 to 12 minutes. Mmm. Mmm. That's tasty. It's been 15 minutes. Gonna toss it around again. Mmm. Get there. BBQ caramel popcorn. Mmm. Gonna put it back in for about 12-15 more minutes. And it'll be ready. Okay. The last 15 minutes, I turned it up to 300. I'm gonna stir it around a little bit, and then we're gonna let it cool for about 10 minutes or so. Yum, yum. Okay, let it cool. So it's been about 10 minutes, but it's still pretty warm. But it has started to candy up, get kind of crunchy. I don't know if you can hear that, but anyway, I'm just gonna put a little bit. This is the kind of thing that you would just eat and eat and eat. You know, you eat something and it's really hard to stop. Somebody take it away, please. Well, this is one of those sweet treats. It's not really that sweet, but sweet enough, and then you get that barbecue flavor. And you might want to serve this at a barbecue. You know, make some and put some in little individual bags and give the people while the barbecue cooks. That's enough for that little one. Ooh, that's hot. I want you to see it. And this is delicious as it looks, please believe me. There you have it. And thanks for hanging out with me. And remember to pray. And then pray some more. Pray for her, pray for him, pray for you. Pray for them. Pray for us. Don't stop praying. Pray. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe and tap that bell if you haven't. And if you have, thank you. Share with friends and family. And comment. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, eat well. Stay safe and stay healthy. I love you. I really do. Later. I'm about to have some popcorn.